Hello everyone, this is Sumit and this is the 6th video of pygame tutorial series and also the second video of join the dots. So let's start with the code. First thing, I'm going to copy all the code from the last tutorial and I have uploaded the whole code on GitHub. You can check the description box and you can download from there. We have seen that in the last video, and in today's video we will see something more. So let's say number of dots equal to 4, and I'm gonna show that number on the screen, and I will also make 2 plus minus button to change this number. So first thing, we are gonna change that. I mean we are gonna show that. So let's say number of dots, and then we put inside the string that number, that is number of dots. And now I'm gonna change the start to a dot text, and we already have seen in the tutorial how to write these text. And if you don't know about these, please go to my tutorial. I will give the link in the I button so you can check from there. So I'm going to show this on the width divided by 2 and then height divided by 3. So let's see. No, it's not. Let me adjust this, and now it looks perfect. So let me do the same thing. I'm gonna create a rectangle that we have seen in our start button, how we have created a button. So I'm gonna create a minus button and the plus button to increase or decrease the number of dots. So let me quickly done that. Yeah, it's down. Now it looks perfect. Let me add some text on it, or let's say plus minus. So I'm going to copy all the code from the start button. I'm going to paste over here, and I'm going to change that to minus. So let me quickly change to start to up, and also for the down. And now it looks perfect. Let me quickly change the text. Yeah, it's perfect. And now we are gonna make that button clickable. So we have to come inside our mouse event, and I'm gonna copy this code that we have seen in case of start button. So I'm not gonna waste much time on it, and if you have any doubt related to that, you can check my last video. I have shown how can we do that. So it's working perfectly, but the dots are going negative. So let me adjust this, and I'm going to copy and paste for the plus button, and the maximum would be 10. And let me quickly do that, and that's it. Okay, let's try it's working or not. And it's working. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna make this button something interesting. On click, we are gonna shade all the whole button with the white color. So that's why I'm increasing the width of the lines, and I'm also gonna do that for our start button. So I'm just copying our rectangle area, that is, I'm copying the rectangle, and I'm just increasing the width of the lines, and the width, it's width of the lines. And I'm also sending the number of dots inside our main screen function, and I'm gonna use that. But first I'm gonna fill that screen with the same color that we have seen in our home screen, and I'm gonna show the number of dots right over there. It's working, but positions, we should change the position. We should show that on the top of the screen. Now it looks good, and we also have to show something like that. I mean something 4 cross 4 or something like that. I hope you have understood, because we are going to make a matrix like some strings. And now let me quickly do also. Yeah, it's, you can see here what I was saying. So now we have to use some events So let me quickly from the last, from there. So let me quickly copy that, and I'm gonna paste right over there. And here we are not gonna do right now, but we will do. So let me say pass, and we also have to show this, we also have to show the score of the player. So let's say player 1 equal to 0 and player 2 equal to 0. And now I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste over there. So we have seen that in our previous video, and I think this should be player 1 underscore score. Yeah, and I'm gonna show player 1 score and player 2 score on the screen. So we should show that on 200. Yeah, and I'm also gonna change this to player 1 score, and we should stringify that because we can't show the numbers on the screen. So I'm say player 1, and I will also do the same thing for player 2. So first I have to change the text, and then I will copy paste for the player 2. And yeah, it's working. And now let me quickly paste over there, and I'm gonna change that to player 2. And that I think it looks perfect, but I'm gonna change the color. Yeah, it's perfect, and I'm gonna change the color right now. So the color is looking good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the latest video from this channel, and see you in the next one.